Hi folks, this is Tom from Rockland Web. I'm going to show you a really awesome application in Windows that can help you to convert any image that you have on the screen into the various file formats for the web. Let me show you. So we have this image on the screen. That's just our background. It's our logo and so on and so forth. So now what I'm going to do is I want to take that image and really whatever image is on the screen. It could be logos for a company, anything to that ilk. I'm essentially going to search for a particular program. And a few ways you could go. There's like this little search bar over here. We're going to search. Here we go. And we're going to look for the snipping tool. Now, obviously, I use it a lot, so it's right there, but you could also type it over here, right? Just if you got Windows 10 instead of 11, you hit the little start menu, and then you just type in snip, and snipping tool shows up. So there's many different ways of getting in there, but just type in the search snipping tool. So you find the item, and it opens up. And here we go. It's this little window over here, all right? And then all you have to do next to capture that image is tap on New. Wait a few seconds, the screen will get dark. And then from the top left corner of the image to the bottom right corner of the image, and you could size it up with your eyes, you drag and drop the mouse. So in the top left-hand corner, you put your mouse, you click and hold, and then drag all the way down to the bottom right-hand side of the screen, and then let up on the mouse. Momentarily, the image will show up in front of you inside of the snipping tool window. From there, there's plenty of options. You can highlight, you can draw on the image, you can do many different things. But if you just want to save the item, all you have to do is on the right-hand side, click on the Save As button, or if you're on a touchscreen, tap the Save As button. And then we're going to load it into the area that you need it to. Let's say, for instance, projects, and then you go down to a particular area. In this case, we're just going to put it into the downloads area because we're not going to necessarily save the file. We have this logo in many different places, but we're just going to put, and what I recommend is, you can put it in the downloads area, name it, and in this case, we'd call it Rockland Web _ logo. Whatever naming convention suits you. Underneath that, there's a drop-down menu that allows you to choose the top 3 most useful choices for the web. Those choices are, in no particular order, PNG, JPEG, and GIF. I like PNG. They're usually a good compatible format for all different types of things, and we're going to hit save. So name the file, save as type, you hit save, and boom, it's done. Then what you can do is on any particular application or wherever you wanted to place the item, and I'm just going to put it in here, all right, then you can open up that file and post it anywhere that you need to. Another really, really cool feature, if you're just in a hurry and you need to copy and paste something into a different window, and I'll just go a little bit further down on this Basecamp screen here, I'm going to go back to that snipping tool, all right, and here's a little advanced feature for you. Hold down the control button on your keyboard and hit the letter C for copy. Go back to the other window, wherever it is that you want to paste in the logo, and then you're going to hold down Control and hit V. And once you do that, you will copy and paste the item from one window to another. It's a beautiful thing. All right, and then you go about your business and it's good. So again, that's the Windows snipping tool. You can find it in the search. And again, all you have to do to start the process, have the image on the screen, hit the new button, drag and drop, top left-hand corner, down to the bottom right, and then save the file. In 3 different formats you could save it as, PNG, JPEG, or GIF. And you can also copy and paste. That's our tutorial for today. I hope this was very helpful. And if you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to call Rockland Web at 845-877-7333. Take care for now.